Ella peeps, I made this delicious burger, 300-gram patty. It cost less than 60 Rand. Here's how I made it. I've got my brisket trimmings, I've got my dry-aged porterhouse steak, I've got my vintage mincer, and we're gonna make burgers. I'm using my mom's old Kenwood mixer that we've turned into a mincer with this attachment. And the meats, it's about 80-20, maybe even 70-30 meat to fat ratio, and it will really make for good burgers. The fat will render nice in, it will be absolutely delicious. This porterhouse steak minced absolutely perfectly. I've got my beautiful brisket trimmings that I took from smoking a brisket the other day, and we're gonna mix the porterhouse steak with the brisket trimmings. I'm going to be adding 2 eggs into my mince so that it just creates a bit of richness and also binds it together. I've got Blanco by Meat Church, which I just got from America thanks to my boy Greg. We're gonna try it out into our burger patties. I'm gonna add this in just to give a bit of flavor. I'm very excited to try this new rub. I'm just gonna mix this all up, get it nice together, get it intertwined, and they'll be delicious. I'm gonna be making quite a big patty, so I want 2 even balls because we're gonna be putting camembert cheese in between. So there's one, and here's another. I'm gonna be preparing my burger patty, so I'm gonna flatten the first section out. And while I do that, I'm gonna take some camembert cheese. I'm just gonna cut a piece off here. And then I'll put this in the middle, there, like that. And then I'll take my next ball. We've measured these balls to 150 grams each. So this patty is 300 grams. I've got an onion here that I'm gonna chop up so that I can make caramelized onion for my sauce. And I'm gonna add this onion into the sauce, and it's gonna be super delicious. I'm gonna add a touch of vegetable oil. I'm gonna add my onions. My onions are ready, it's time to make my sauce. I'm gonna start off my sauce with crunchy garlic mayonnaise, some sweet mustard, some delicious wimpy tomato sauce, some Steers creamy peri-peri sauce. I'm gonna be adding my onions. Lastly, I'm gonna grate some garlic into it. Just gonna mix this all up into each other. I'm using some beef tallow that I made today from our brisket trimmings, and we're gonna fry this burger patty up. Let's start frying. I've got a beautiful sear, I think, on the bottom. I'm just gonna flip this over. The best way to create a nice sear is to actually take it quite slowly on a low heat. So I'm just gonna flip it 2 or 3 times and get the perfect sear. I'm gonna flip this. Look at this beautiful crust we got here. Now that I've got a beautiful sear on each side, I'm gonna put it in the oven for 10 minutes at 180 and get it up to perfect temperature. Just gonna toast my buns up, get them ready for the burger. Just taken this out the oven, it looks ready to me. Let's build our burger. I've got my beautiful toasted bun. We're gonna start off with our homemade onion salsa. I have my beautiful patty here. Got 2 slices of American cheese, some delicious pickles, and I'm gonna finish it off with a little bit more salsa. Now to cut into this delicious beast of a burger. I'm so excited. Look at this burger. It looks and smells incredible. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna chow my burger. Thanks for watching and keep on cooking, you beautiful people.